Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable new orders notifications on Shopify account. So first we're going to go to our Shopify app. Then next we're going to click on settings. Then I'm going to click on store notifications. Then as you can see, new orders are turned off. So we're going to turn it on. Even for new orders on notification badge, you guys can turn it on as well, since they have the same relevance. One is for notifications and one is for notification badges. So new orders notifications will be directly sent through your phone. So that's how you do it. It's an important setting as well. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out as well. You guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.